Buenas Diaz, Guam. Jonathan Frank Blas Diaz here again, and I approve this message. Wanted to just give a shout out to the faculty, staff, administration, alumni, and parents, and student body, especially the AP government class at Simon Sanchez High School, for this opportunity to debate, finally, 7 to 9 o'clock p.m. at the Jigo Gym. I hope all of you can make it. Also, I wanted to say thank you to my godson Justin for helping me put up these signs all over Guam. I want to prove to the people that this candidate, Jonathan Diaz, is a serious candidate and needs nobody to put up their signs except himself. Thirdly, is I want to help educate the voters of Guam that when you go in this coming Saturday, that you stand with me, stand with Jonathan Diaz, and make the Buenas Diaz commitment. When you go in, make sure you have a proper ID. They will check your name off and hand you a ballot. When you go in, you will see column A, column B, and column C. You will not vote on column A and column B, but you will vote for Jonathan Diaz under the independent column C. You will take their names, the senatorial candidates, and you will write their names in on this section. When you turn over your ballot, the same thing applies. You will only vote on column C and write in the candidate under column C. That way, the ballots will not be spoiled. I want to make this appeal to all the people of Guam that our island is facing serious consequences as a result of representation for the past 10 years. What has Guam achieved in the past 10 years? That is the question. And this is the reason why we're running for Guam, making the Buenas Diaz commitment, and Jonathan Frank Blas Diaz has your interests, not my pocketbook, but your interests and your pocketbooks. That's my concern. And so please stand with me come September 1st, 2012. Sendong kong nasi Diyos Masi. Maraming salamat. Thank you. God bless you and your families, and God bless Guam.